Welcome to Transwest in Belton, Missouri, just south of Kansas City. My name is Ray, and I get to show you this 2018 Coachman Leprechaun 311 FS. This coach is built on a Ford 450 chassis, so it has plenty of horsepower to get you from A to B. If you take a look at the cockpit, it has a classic look with the wood touch against the black, a very simple dash, keeping things right in front of you, very simple, no confusing lights and flashes. From there, you see great quality stitching in the seats. So all that means for you is just a comfortable driving and riding experience. Right? As we make our way back into the coach itself, you'll see the bunk overhead. This camper actually sleeps about 7 people. And I'll kind of go through the different places where you can stick your whole troop around in this thing. But here is a great spot, one of the places to sleep. You've got the ladder here, and it's also a great place for storage. They have the cargo netting here, so it's either to keep the kids from rolling out or to just keep your stuff back there when you have a hard stop and things are sliding back and forth. But either way, this is a great, useful utility space. As I make my way over here, we've got the nice jackknife sofa that is quite comfortable. I'm actually able to really sink in. Across from me, you'll see that there's a television. It's very easy to take a look at, hold conversations. It's not awkward at all seating. It's a very useful room. This jackknife sofa actually opens up into a bed. So again, you have another spot to sleep someone. And then as we look over to this dinette booth, you'll see it's a family style where you have the cushioning all around. So again, there really isn't a bad spot in this place to sit. You've got plenty of seat belts. Kind of hold in, feel in. It feels really good. As you can see, it's not so high that you feel like, a lot of times you'll have these booths in these RVs and they come high and you just feel like a little kid trying to eat at the dinner table. This one's actually nice, good level, comes up to just below the chest, so you're able to eat and not feel like your elbows are all the way up here. And again, it fits everybody. So kids can feel comfortable here, adults can feel comfortable. And again, you probably can fit any between 4 or 5, maybe even 6 people if you have some little ones around this table. So everybody can eat together and have those family moments that you're trying to create when you go on these RV trips, right? Again, with an RV, you always want to be able to have space. There's plenty of space for storage up here. You'll see these kind of open up. What I really like about them too is even though you have 3 separate doors, there's no divisions within them. So if you have something long, you can slide it in and have a place of storage. The same experience you'll have with these. However, these are just a little bit deeper, allowing you to, again, store other stuff. Again, there's no separation between the two, so if you have something long, you're able to slide those through. Again, a lot of the times when it comes to RVing, the first thing you want to think about is where I'm going to put all my stuff. And this Leprechaun gives you plenty of spaces to put your things that you need. As we make our way over to the kitchen, you see this does have an LP, 3 burner stove, which is really nice, and a functioning oven. So that's really nice. A lot of the newer ones are kind of getting away from that. You're having those convection microwaves. This kind of brings you back to the old school of just being able to throw something in the oven and have it cook, do some cookies and brownies and things like that for the little ones that we stuffed up in the bunk, remember? So then we've got a nice, and I can't mention this enough, a nice deep sink. It's great for washing dishes. It's great for storage as well. When you're just finished done, put them in. I mean, this is a nice, deep, you don't have a divider in here. So really get a nice, easy space to clean things in here. So not just, you know, if you're doing, even though the wife might get mad at you, but if you're doing any fishing and stuff like that, that's just a great sink to clean out your stuff and get things back to the way you want them. Again, plenty of overhead storage. And underneath here, you've got a nice, oh, they got the lock on that. No, they don't. This thing is sealed. Nice. So you got your refrigerator, a good amount of space in here. Definitely enough to have all your meals and stuff like that that you need to cook in here, as well as plenty of juices and refreshments. And as you saw, plenty of safety features here to make sure that none of these drawers just pop up over on you while you're driving. So we got those bungee cords. Sorry, I'm just playing with that. I do apologize. But coming over here, we've got a great pantry with slide to make it easy to grab the things from the back. The worst is when you do groceries and you do load this up, because remember, sometimes you're out here doing 2-week trips or 3-week trips, and you load this up and something you had rolls to the back and you forget you had it. This way you open these up and you know that you have access to everything that you put into the coach, which again just offers a better experience because you're using all the things that you want. Again, additional storage here is a great, I say this all the time, but storage is king in these RVs, and this one has plenty of it. This one actually gives you 2 options to get into the bathroom. You have one from the main area, and then another way to come in from the bedroom. So that's really nice too, because that way the adults don't have to go back out and mess with the kids at night. You can come straight in, same thing. Kids aren't bugging the adults. When they need to use the restroom, they're able to come in and out without having to bug anybody. Coming through, you've got your medicine cabinet and your sink. So again, all the little things that you expect from your home, you're finding in this RV. As we make our way over to the bedroom, you see a king-size bed. Oh, I'm sorry, a queen-size bed. But again, good length. 2 people should be able to sleep on this comfortably. This cracks over to the side to reveal even the water tank here and some side storage. As we make our way over, you'll see that there's a television. You'll see there's a walk-in closet, where again you can put your clothes, get things ready, drawers, hangers, and plenty of, again, the bungees on this thing. The previous owner did a really good job of just making sure that everything is secure and you don't have a bunch of rattling and hard noises while you're driving or slamming. And, you know, make sure things don't get broken. Go ahead and throw this back down. Okay, follow me through. So again, this is the 2018 Coachman Leprechaun 311 FS gas on a 450 chassis from Ford. If you want more information on this, feel free to reach out and contact me. Again, my name is Ray. My contact information is below. And thank you for spending time with us at Transwest.